Sleep, hormones, and renewal, the overlooked foundations of alignment. Hey, here's a question. What if the reason you feel stuck, even though you eat right, move often, and stay motivated, has nothing to do with discipline and everything to do with sleep and hormones? You can eat clean, meditate, and crush your workouts. But if you skip the rhythm your body was divinely wired for, every system in your body falls out of sync. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll never look at sleep the same way again. The rhythm behind renewal. Dr. Jonathan Clark calls it the divine rhythm, a pattern built into creation itself. Every cell in your body dances to this rhythm. Cortisol rises with the sun, melatonin flows with the night. Miss the beat and that harmony collapses. When we break that rhythm, staying up late, scrolling, forcing ourselves through exhaustion, we're out of sync with the very timing that was designed to restore us. Imagine trying to play a song with every instrument just a second off. That's your body on poor sleep. It's playing the right notes, but completely out of time. And the gut-brain hormone highway. You realize Dr. Joseph Mercola describes it like this. Your gut, your brain, and your hormones are in constant conversation with each other. Your microbiome signals your brain about safety. Your brain tells your glands whether to repair or survive. If sleep is disrupted, that conversation gets scrambled. That's why when you sleep less, your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, start arguing. You crave sugar, your mood dips, and your body shifts from recovery mode to survival mode. This isn't about being lazy or weak. It's biology. It's your body begging for rhythm. Rest isn't laziness, it's leadership. Dr. Carol Banzio, a psychiatrist and theologian, once said, "Mental rest isn't indulgence, it's obedience." When you rest, your prefrontal cortex rests. Your emotional control returns. Hormones like serotonin and dopamine rebalance. And when you don't, anxiety spikes, judgment fogs, and even your faith, your sense of alignment begins to fracture. Your body doesn't just need rest, it runs on it. And the athlete's secret most people miss. Ask any elite athlete. Recovery is not optional. They train, they eat, they track every metric. But their real edge? Sleep. Every deep sleep cycle releases growth hormones, the one that repairs muscles, burns fat, and strengthens your mind. Miss that window and you're training harder than your body can handle. That's not alignment, my friend. That's burnout disguised as discipline. So here's the truth. Realignment isn't 3 workouts a week. It's not 5 meals a day. It's the way you live your 24 hours. It's the rhythm between action and stillness, output and restoration, sleep, hormones, and renewal. That's where healing happens. That's where clarity returns. That's where the kingdom shows up. Not in the hustle, but in the holy rhythm of rest. And now you know. You want to go deeper? Download your free Body, Mind, and Reset guide. Link is in the description. Or join me on my journey at the link in my bio. Because alignment doesn't start in the gym. It starts tonight when you close your eyes. God bless.